ES01 Fume Extractor released. Flame retardant telescopic air duct, stretch at will. Support airspeed adjustment. 4000 RPM high-speed brushless motor. White and green lights can be switched. Fumes and ducts are clearly visible. Easily handle various scenarios. Extract and clean fumes seamlessly. Connect to computer through the C port, upgrade freely. Fully aluminum alloy shell, solid, stable, and good looking. Strong combination of activated carbon and HEPA filtration, double purification, effectively removing peculiar smell. Support BS08 voice center control. Come with a 7-core aviation connector. Support interconnection with T400D.